This 2021 Winnebago View 24J is a Class C RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 25 feet 5 inches in length and features sleep 6, water heater, smoke detector, TV, air conditioning, LP detector, microwave, stovetop burner, awning, carbon monoxide detector, slide-out, and 37 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bath. This 2021 Winnebago View 24J is built on a Mercedes-Benz V6 chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.